begin row 1, we're going to work regular double crochets, so yarn over, and in that third chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Work 1 double crochet in every chain. At the end of row 1, chain 2. So to begin row 2, chain 2, and then turn your work. The chain 2 at the beginning of each row counts as the first stitch. So you're going to skip that first stitch and we're going to work into that next stitch. So we're going to do 1 front post double crochet. So normally with a double crochet you work into those top 2 loops, but with this one we're going to work around the post of the stitch. So yarn over and insert your hook behind the stitch and pull back through, and then the rest is the exact same for a double crochet. And then work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And then 1 front post double crochet into the next stitch. So I'm at the end of row 2 and we still have 2 stitches we need to do. So in that last double crochet, work 1 front post double crochet. Beginning of each row, the chain 2 counts as the first stitch, so at the end of each row we need to work into that chain 2. So in that turning chain, work 1 double crochet. Alright, and that is the end of row 2, and this is what it should look like. So to begin row 3, chain 2, and then turn your work. So again, we're skipping that first stitch, and in that second stitch, we're going to work 1 double crochet. And in the next 2 stitches, work 1 front post double crochet. So again, we're working around the post of the stitch instead of in the top 2 loops. And in the next stitch, work 1 regular double crochet. Continue working 1 double crochet and then 2 front post double crochets to the end of the row. At the end of row 3, we have 2 stitches left to do, so work 1 double crochet into that next stitch. And then again, we have to work our last stitch into that turning chain, so work 1 double crochet. and then chain 2 and turn, and you can start to see the waffle stitch appear. After several rows, this is what it should look like. You can really see that it creates these little squares that really do look like waffles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more free crochet videos.